So, I just want to show you a picture of a video that I put up a week ago. And in this video, I'd done it right. The technique was pretty much how it should be. And what I earned from that versus a video that I put up on Friday where I done the technique wrong technically and sort of roughed it up a little bit on camera just to show the difference in when you're doing things right on camera and doing things wrong when it comes to making money on Facebook. Basically, I know that if I play the trolls, they comment, and with more comments comes more traffic, comes more money. I've done this quite a lot, mainly on Facebook. I don't usually put bad ones up on other platforms because Facebook tends to be where all the keyboard warriors are. So usually if I do something not right on video, I'll put it on Facebook more than anything because they're the ones that are gobby and give it the big one more than anyone on any other platform. So here's the picture of what I earned on something that I'd done right on Facebook. It wasn't commented on a lot. No one really said anything. The only things that were said were nice work, blah, blah, blah. And, you know, no one wants to see things done right. Everyone wants people to fail in this world, and everyone wants to see people do things wrong in this world. Usually depending on their own lifestyle and what's going on in their life. That's why when you figure out how people work and what they're about, especially on Facebook and stuff like that, they're absolute arseholes on Facebook, most people. So once you know how to play them, you can earn a bit of money from them. It's quite funny in a sense. So here's what I actually earned in 2 days, roughly, from something that I just put up knowing that I would get ridiculed for. And here it is. Right, so as you can see, the difference in money from doing something right to doing something wrong on Facebook. I'm not saying you should be doing things wrong. You should be doing them right, and you should know the techniques and how to do things properly. But anyway, cheers to you, Facebook guys, making us a bit of dough. Really appreciate it. See you in the next video. Make sure you comment. Make sure you tell me how shit I am, because you're going to make me rich.